REMUS S55 BMW exhaust installed on my M4. I'm going to show you guys the installation process and a couple of sound clips as well. The car is running on stock downpipes, and the only modification I've done to the exhaust is the Active Autowerke Midpipe and the REMUS Axle back. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump right into it. So let's talk about the delivery process. First, I want to say how well packaged the exhaust actually comes. It's very secured on the inside. The tips are actually put inside of a completely separate box, inside of the larger box. It's really covered on all corners, so it's packaged very, very well. And it also does come with a hardware kit as well. I also want to talk about how we received the exhaust without a single scratch. I'm not kidding. It came all the way from Austria and it was in perfect shape. As expected, the REMUS exhaust is top-notch. The welding quality is second to none, and it comes sandblasted, giving it a grayish coated finish for an added value. And the carbon fiber quality is second to none as well. If the sound and the finish of the exhaust is not an indicator of the value of the product, the carbon fiber will surely make it clear, even to casuals, that the REMUS exhaust is a very expensive mod. The exhaust comes with detailed install instructions with a step-by-step guide and high-quality pictures for each step to make this install as easy as possible. And you start by disconnecting the exhaust valves connections, then disconnect the two clamps. Once that's done, remove the stock M4 axle back. Disconnect the valves adapter from the stock exhaust and install it on the REMUS axle back. Connect the REMUS axle back to the mid-pipe using the clamps provided in the hardware kit and connect the valve wire. Install is very easy and it takes less than 30 minutes. The exhaust setup I currently have on my M4 is, in my opinion, the best setup I can get on this car. It offers a perfect balance for a daily driver, and it gives a mild increase in sound during casual driving, and once valves are open and you go wide to open throttle, it takes the sound to a whole new level. If you have a flash tune like I do, I recommend increasing the burble tone to aggressive for a more exotic sound. Doing a video where I show you one with the burble set to medium. So if you guys want me to do that, please go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoy these videos.